guys, so here is our chapter 9, the adjectives. So this is very important topic. Okay, everywhere you will need this. So you should know what adjectives are. I'm giving some examples. Sita is a clever girl. Sita is a clever girl. ठीक है. If I'll say I don't like that boy, I don't like that boy. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स है, जैसे कि he gave me 5 mangoes, there is little time for preparation. If I'll ask girl of what kind, Sita is a clever girl. Girl of what kind? Clever. I don't like that boy. Which boy? That boy. ठीक है. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5 mangoes. ठीक है. In sentence 1, clever shows what kind of Sita is. What kind of girl Sita is. ठीक है. So in other words, clever describes the girl Sita. In sentence 2, that points out which boy is meant. ठीक है. So a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity is called an adjective. So this is the definition you can write down. A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, like I used here the clever and here I used that. Person, animal, place or thing which the noun names, or to tell the number or quantity is called adjective. ठीक है. So we may define an adjective as a word used with a noun to add something for its meaning. ठीक है. A noun which adds something to adjective is a word which is used with a noun to add something to it. ठीक है. जैसे कि girl, clever girl, it adds to the girl. Okay, it defines the type of a girl. ठीक है. So I'm giving another examples, like the lazy boy was punished. The lazy boy was punished. I'm writing it. The lazy boy was punished. In sentence 1, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy. ठीक है. As an epithet or attribute, it is therefore said to be used attributively. ठीक है. Attributively it is used. In another sentence I am telling the boy is lazy. So here in sentence 2, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb is. Here lazy is used with the noun boy, so this is known as attributively. ठीक है. Attributively. Either the adjective lazy is used with the verb is, so this is known as predicatively. Predicatively it is used. ठीक है. So now we'll see kinds of adjectives. So first kind is adjective of quality. First is adjective of quality. ठीक है. So from quality, this is clear that it shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. जैसे कि suppose I'll say Kolkata is a large city. It defines the type of the city Kolkata. ठीक है. Is a large is the adjective of quality. He is an honest man. He is an honest man. So here honest describes the quality of the man. So here honest is the adjective of quality. Now we'll see adjective of quantity. Quantity means the quantity only, so which shows how much a thing is meant. Like if I'll say I ate some rice, I ate some rice. Here some refers to quantity, so this is this will be called as adjective of quantity. ये हो गया adjective of quantity. If I'll say he showed much patience, he has little intelligence, we have had enough exercise, so some, little, enough, all, no, any, ठीक है, sufficient, etc. There are many, ठीक है, etc. They show quantity ना, some, little, enough, they show quantity, so that's why these will be referred to as adjective of quantity. Next आ गया हमारा adjective of number, that is or numeral adjectives we can say, shows how many persons a thing. इधर हमारा क्वांटिटी आ गया, नेक्स्ट में हम न्यूमेरिकल क्वांटिटी आ जाएगा, जैसे कि 5 फिंगर्स, ठीक है, फ्यू कैट्स, लाइक नो पिक्चर्स, मेनी थिंग्स, ठीक है, ऑल मैन. सो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी. सो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी एंड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर आर क्वाइट सिमिलर. जैसे क्या आ गया 1 2 ऑल द न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यूज़, और हमारा हो गया फ्यू ऑल, ठीक है, सम. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. अभी विल सी द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. हाँ, एंड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर आर ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स, ठीक है, जैसे कि डेफिनाइट न्यूमेरिकल एडजेक्टिव्स, इंडेफिनाइट न्यूमेरिकल एडजेक्टिव्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव न्यूमेरिकल एडजेक्टिव्स, दोज विल सी इन द कंपोजिट सेक्शन. दिस इज जस्ट द बेसिक. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, जैसे कि which points out which person or thing is meant, like this boy, that boy, these mangoes, those rascals, ठीक है. सो जैसे कि this हो गया, या that हो गया, these हो गया, those हो गया, ये which are used to pointing out something, वो हो गया हमारा डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव adjectives, which we use to point out something, ठीक है. Now next type of adjective is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, and from the name only you can guess that this is this type of adjective is the adjective when we ask something, जैसे कि what, which and whose. Okay, when they are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives, जैसे कि what manner of man is he. So generally questions, okay, questions, yeah, interrogative adjective. Next and the last adjective, no, there are 2 more emphasizing adjective, ठीक है. The words own and very are used as emphasizing adjective, जैसे कि I saw it with my own eyes, ठीक है, जैसे कि आ गया own और very, ये सब हम यूज़ करते हैं in emphasizing adjectives, ठीक है. तो ये हो गया emphasizing adjectives, ठीक है. And the last one was is exclamatory adjective, the word what is sometimes used as an exclamation, ठीक है, जैसे कि what genius, what folly, what an idea. Okay, what an idea, here you are using exclamatory mark. Okay, so this is called as exclamatory adjective, ठीक है. तो ये हो गए टाइप्स ऑफ काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स, एंड इसके फॉर्मेशंस भी होते हैं. एंड फॉर्मेशंस ऑफ एडजेक्टिव फ्रॉम नाउन from noun how will form adjective, from from verbs how can we form adjective, from the adjectives will form adjective. ठीक है, बहुत सारे types होते हैं. I'll upload the note in the description box. You just download it and note it down. This is very, very important. Okay, so this is the basic part for the adjective. Thank you guys.